Hello fellow Rosarians, thank you for joining me today. I have a new unboxing for you. This is from a new vendor called Sweet Hilltop Rose Farm. So I'm not sure what to expect, but I'm excited just to give it a try. And this rose was shipped USPS ground, and gosh, the price here on the shipping was $88, kind of expensive, but the vendor charged me actual shipping on this. I know that she has sales where if you spend over a certain amount, it would be free shipping. That would be something great for you to look for on her site. But what am I expecting in here? Bare roots. There was a Rose Geek discount code that she offered to us. I believe it was in December. And let's see. So remember, what are we looking for when we open a box that has bare roots in it? We are looking for the bag to be completely sealed. I'm looking inside right now, and I think it is completely sealed, but let's check it out. And so we want it to be completely sealed, canes and everything, so that it keeps it moist and it doesn't dry out too much. Oh, here's a sweet little card from Jennifer. She's thanking me for my order. Okay, and when I just did the David Austin unboxing, oftentimes you guys ask, does the vendor know it's Rose Geek and they're going to do an unboxing video? David Austin did not know. Did Jennifer? Yes, she did know that it was me. So I just wanted to be upfront about that, but I did pay 100%. You know, I did pay for my order. There was no kickback for this, and ooh, it is heavy. Let's see. Okay, she just got a card in here. All right, so I'm opening this up. It looks like it was not completely sealed. The top was open, but we will just combat that by giving them a good soak. So you take bare roots and you can put the entire thing, canes and everything, in the water. So we just want to make sure that they're not too terribly dry, and then watch them. The least amount of time that I would soak bare roots is probably 4 hours because they've had a long trip. But I think that Jennifer did soak these before she mailed them to me, and then but I'm gonna soak these for 24 hours, especially since the top was just opened a little bit. So looking inside, you know, in a pinch for a baby pool before, I've sometimes used just the bag. Go ahead and fill the bag with water. Okay. Look at these babies. Okay, so they are starting to flesh out, and I'm sure that you're asking, what varieties did I get? The roots are dry, a little bit dry here, so we are going to want to get these soaked. But let's see, I got Michelangelo, Orchid Romance, and what else? Romantica Ball Gown. So let's open each one real quick. So I'm going to pop the price up on the screen for each bare root, and so that you can get an idea. You know, it's hard with this one because she does offer free shipping, sometimes as a perk and discounts. But if you were to buy 5 roses from this vendor with the shipping, what it would end up costing you. Okay. Ooh, gosh, this looks so nice. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, and they've got feeder roots too. Do you see the white little feeder roots coming out of the bottom? I'm going to look at these, and we're making sure that there's no gall. What else do we look for? Green canes, that the crown is not soft. So we just give it a quick look over. So this is Orchid Romance, and this one is clearly a grade 1 rose. Grade 1 is 3 canes the size of a pencil. So I am seeing another wonderful, huge Orchid Romance here. Let me put my scissors down. Okay, now this one is smaller, but I think it's still grade 1. Let's look. So grade 1 is, you know, 3 canes the size of a pencil, and yes, this Orchid Romance is smaller, but it looks great. So that's 3. Orchid Romance. This one looks good. I'm just making sure that they're not too dry. I think we caught them just in the nick of time. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and now Michelangelo. Definitely 3 canes, the size of a pencil, and the roots look really nice. Okay. I think I got 5 Michelangelo. So this is 1, 2, 3 canes the size of a pencil and 2 extra that are smaller. This is just this is just a grade 1, but that's okay. It meets the requirement. And then we've got 2 more, and they look good, really nice. All right, so that was 5 Michelangelo, and now the ball gown. I have 4 ball gown here because I wanted to have groupings of 5, and I think I already had 1 ball gown from last year. So look at this. Ooh, look at that. That looks so nice, and it's already flushing out, and I don't see black spot, which is nice not to see fungus. But this one looks very healthy. Grade 1. Grade 1. Grade 1. And lots of feeder roots on this one. So I am not seeing any issues with this order. As I mentioned, this is a first-time vendor for me. I'm not sure if they just started selling last year, but all in all, I am happy with this order. Let me see here. I want to remind myself what her warranty is. Anyway, I will put up on the screen what her warranty is. And now here's your rack and stack. Please keep in mind that I'm not looking at all of the other vendors that I didn't order from last year. I'm just using last year's price as an estimate. So keep that in mind. You're gonna want to take a harder look at it if you're in between 2 vendors. Let me read to you about these varieties. So concerning the Michelangelo, it's a pretty yellow. It needs full sun. It's going to be 5 foot by 3 foot. It has a strong sweet lemon fragrance, and it says, with its sweet lemony fragrance and its vibrantly saturated golden petals, this Romantica rose will find a permanent home in your garden. Perfect stems for cutting and old-fashioned blooms to win your heart. Deep green foliage provides the perfect contrast. Okay, a ball gown Romantica. This is a newer variety. I think it was new last year. The mature size is 6 foot high by 2 to 3 foot wide. So put this one on the back of your border. Let's see. The scent is classic rose, grass, and powder. Thinking about grass. I love the smell of grass, but put that with a little powder. I'm not sure. We're going to give it a go. As full and captivating as the most beautiful ball gown, this lush pink rose opens with over 100 petals per bloom. Its intense fragrance can be described as classic rose with notes of grass and powder. Let me know if you bought this last year and what you think about the fragrance. Orchid Romance. This one's 4.5 tall by 3 wide, and it says it's a dark pink lavender. Pass by this rose on a good day, and its strong citrus fragrance will take you somewhere special. The color of this rose ranges from medium to dark pink with undertones of lavender. Orchid Romance is sure to outperform other roses of its class with minimum care required. And that is a Radler rose. I think Radler teamed with Mayon for this rose. So thanks so much for watching, Rosebuds. I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.